going on, everybody? So we're back at the shop today. We're working on the XJ, trying to get it ready for a Valentine's Day trail ride. All right, so the main focus is I'm gonna have to drop the tank. This is getting cut out. I'm doing a frame repair. I want to get this done, especially before spring, which I might have to do this whole section from right here all the way up, you know, into here. The other side, same spot right here, I'm gonna have to patch and repair that as well. So I might jump over and tackle that first and get that knocked out of the way, and jump over here and get this harder section done. Here's the driver's side. That's what I'm going to target right now to get that cut out. And I mean, it's relatively solid, you know, right here. So one of the first things you're going to want to do before you start cutting, welding, whatever, well, mainly welding, disconnect your battery. Now I touch my two terminals, my positive and negative, together for at least 30 seconds. That way it clears the system of any power, and it should be safe to weld on. All right, and then here, I got that bump stop that's supposed to be there off. And as you see, she's pretty rusty. On the bottom though, she's still pretty solid. So what I might do, like it's solid there, might just cut a small square out like there, and then just patch it from there, and then right here along this bottom, as long as this isn't too far gone. I'll know when I clean it up, grind it, and I'll see how thick of material we have left on there. Alright, so as expected, look at that. Look at that right there. Can you see that? Yeah, she's pretty toast. So I'm gonna have to cut back a good ways and 90 it over. Gonna have to get to it. Because first thing first, before I make any cuts, since I might have to piece it, like cut pieces out, probably gonna get a cardboard cutout template of the outside of the frame. That way I can match this arch right here. And I think that'd be a good start. So I'm gonna get some cardboard set up in there and cut a template out. That way I can keep that curvature. Alright, so as you see, got it cut out clean. Now I gotta start mocking my pieces up and get it all pieced together. All right, so you see she's getting there. I got to tap in some of those cracks. I got to tack this outer piece on and tap up the seams and get ready to finish welding all this up and grind it down and add some stiffener to it. All right, I got that tacked in. It's all nice and flush. I'm gonna grind this down so it matches the curvature of the frame. Then I can start welding all that in, and then weld the backside in. All right, got it even. The frame curvature. Time to get this welded, grind it down, clean it up, and thinking about stiffening it, or I might just leave it like that for now. When I weld thin metal, I like to do speed first. Just basically pull your trigger and let off, pull your trigger, let off. That way it doesn't melt the metal, because this is only a 3/16. I don't even think it's that. It's 16 gauge. That's it. We'll go ahead and do the rest, clean it up, and jump on to other stuff I have to do. So I'll bring it back when I get this all welded up, cleaned up, show you what it looks like when it's finished. Alright, so I coated the inside before I put all that together with that primer zinc paint. Then I hit all that, front side and back side. Back side didn't turn out too good. It's ugly, but couldn't get to it. And my freaking hood, it kept dimming, and then it'd stay dark. But I'm gonna let that sit and hit it with this. And that's it. It's basically how you do a frame patch repair. And I'm gonna get on to this next video because I got other things to do on this. Alright guys, so that's it for the frame repair. Yeah, it is time consuming. Hey, what time is it? 2:09. What time did I get started on the frame? Alright, so 10. So it's been what, 10, 11, 12, 1, almost 4 hours to get this all cut out, do my cardboard templates, get all that, clean it up with a file, get it welded in and primed. So 4 hours. The other side, I'll do that another day because I'm gonna have to drop the fuel tank and all that shit down. But that's it for this video. I'm gonna jump to the next video, so stay tuned.